Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So in the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still looking at this bolus because really there's no reason otherwise yet. I still personally think it's more likely that it is going to make an expanding flat wave C, and this is going to be a wave A, this is going to be 3 waves down, and this is going to be 5 waves up for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still bullish overall. I still think this is very likely to be a wave 1. I think this is WXY, most likely a wave 2. And I still think there's a very good chance on this weekly time frame that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. Probably a wave 3 of wave C by the looks of it. So, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that this right here is a nice little end of a crescent right here. I think this is an expanding flat. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. Definitely looks like an expanding flat. Then we got a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Now, we do have a nice little push down, but so far we do not have a break of structure. If it does break structure, I think it's going to end up being a crescent to the whole trend. If it doesn't break structure, then it's probably likely just a crescent to the last wave, and we definitely need to keep an eye on it because it definitely could make another higher low and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we do not have a break of structure down, so the trend is definitely still up, and I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. I still think there's a chance that this right here could just be another A, B, and C correction. If this is just another A, B, C correction, then yeah, maybe it will take out the low of wave A, but it should end up continuing the uptrend, making those higher highs, higher lows. If it does break and hold below this structure, then most likely it will be a crescent to the whole move up, which will most likely go someplace between 38 and 78% of this move up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, it definitely has the shape of a 5 wave trend right here for sure. I think it looks like a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we do have a decent little break of structure to the upside right here. Now, it definitely could go down a little bit more because most wave C's do take out the low of wave A. So, I mean, if it does go down a little bit more and take out this low right here, it definitely wouldn't surprise me. But if this really is an ABC, it doesn't have to take out the low. It definitely could be a running flat. We definitely have impulsive up. We have a break of structure. There's a good chance this move down is a crescent to this last move up. If you see this make a higher low, I would definitely take it as a long. It could be the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.